Hello mga ka-MBH! So once again, another hayay gala na naman ni Bisoy and this time around, papunta siyang Zambales guys. So tara, punta tayo sa Victory Caloocan at sumakay tayo ng Eva na bus. Okay, so finally, halos 5 oras, kulang-kulang 5 oras na travel time. Baba po kayo sa San Felipe Public Market. Meron na rin po ditong pila ng mga tricycle na halagang 200. Dadalhin nila kayo sa liw-liwa ng mga resort. So, for the meantime, namili muna kami ng additional na food, guys. So, para sa aming late snack. So, eto na nga. So, nandito na kami sa Liuliwa Beach at napakaraming accommodation dito, guys, na pwedeng pasok sa budget ninyo mula sa mahal at sa pinaka-budget friendly na mga accommodation. All you have to do is just choose according to your budget, guys. So, ang aming napili ay dito sa Gazera de Liuliwa. So, Liuliwa Beach is your perfect option for a staycation. It is a quick getaway. Liuliwa offers a variety of room type, whether it's fun room, like teepee huts, native kubos, no, duplex rooms, and beach has air condition. So, lahat accommodation dito ay air condition, guys. So, hindi kayo masyadong maiinitan at napaka-aesthetic ng bawat room dito sa Gazera de Liuliwa. Very welcoming at parang feel at home kayo, guys. Ayan. So, kompleto sila. From tissue and towel already, guys. Although you have to bring your own toiletries. So, ang gaganda ng bawat room. So, kanya-kanya sila ng design, no? Merong good for 4 person, merong villa, so merong good for 2 person, guys. So, depende na yan mula sa pinaka konti hanggang sa pinakamalaking group of people. Pwede nilang i-accommodate yan, guys. It is a family outing, so we rented 3 rooms for a 13-pack. So, kasi it's, you only have 4 person to accommodate. And the villa, they can accommodate up to 6 person, guys. So, kung makikita niyo itong place na to, napakaganda. O, diba? And they have their share kitchen na pwede nyong gamitin para sa inyong kung gusto niyo pang magluto ng mga extra na food since marami kayong kasama, guys. And meron silang ihawan din dito. All you have to do is just bring all your condiments, your ingredients, and of course yung uling. Ayan, para hindi niyo na kailangan bumili. So, halos kumpleto sila dito, guys. O, diba? So, parang ang dating ng ambience dito sa Gazera de Liuliwa is para kayong nasa bundok or since log house type yung mga rooms, para kang nasa probinsya ang ano mo, ang pinaka ambience. Ayan, ang daming pine tree. Pagkatapos ang unang itinerary ay Bong ng Oloan Falls, guys. So, kasi yan daw yung falls na malapit dito. So, sasakay kayo ng tricycle if you have a car going there. So, from the Bungad, magra-ride kayo ng Kalabaw or tama raw to na mayroong kubo, guys. Dadalhin nila kayo sa falls. Ito na siya. San Felipe ng Oloan Falls, guys. May konting trekking lang naman to pero kayang-kaya yan ng kahit ang mga senior citizen, guys. Tagtuyot pala siya pagka ganitong pecha, guys. So, ang falls, naging itsurang kanal lang siya na walang masyadong tubig, guys. Since it's La Nino, so natutuyo pala siya kapag summer, guys. Ayan. So, pinaka best time to go here, guys, is mga ano daw, July onwards. Ayan. Pero we enjoy riding the Tamaraw, the Carabao with Kubo. Ayan. So, dahil nga walang tubig, we go back to Liliwa Beach so that we can swim there, guys. Ayan. So, napakaganda ng lugar. At lakas ng alon, guys. Ang sarap mag-swim. And you can also try non-water activities and water activities. Just like you can ride the ATV, guys, for 30 minutes, 500. Banana boat, ayan, so 300 per person. So, meron pang bicycle, water bicycle ba tawag doon? So, 300 to 500 siya, depende kung how many minutes you're going to ride. Ayan, para mas mag-enjoy pa kayo. Highly recommended to sa inyong next summer getaway, guys. So, if you happen to watch this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye!